Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's video, we're continuing our Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate, CSWA, practice series with problem 1.3. Let's start by opening the drawing and reviewing the key details. First, check the units. This model uses mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. You can always adjust the units in the lower right corner of the SOLIDWORKS interface. I'll demonstrate that shortly. Next, note that the primary feature creation method recommended here is the Extruded Boss tool. Now let's look at the origin. The red point shown in the drawing represents the sketch origin, and it will be important for proper positioning. We also need to verify the volume as part of the model validation. The correct volume for this part is 16,268 cubic millimeters. With that in mind, let's open SOLIDWORKS and start a new part. Before I continue, I'd like to ask you a favor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment. I post new videos every week. Let's continue. Let's begin by opening SOLIDWORKS and creating a new part. First, check the units in the lower right corner. For this exercise, we will use mmgs. Select the front plane and start a new sketch. From the origin, draw a horizontal centerline. On the left side, create two circles with a diameter of 20 millimeters. And diameter 20 plus 12, giving us 32 millimeters. Now define the total length of the horizontal line as 38 millimeters. Next, at the right end of the line, add two more circles, one with a diameter of 6 millimeters and the other with a diameter of 18 millimeters. Connect two circles with a line. Make sure the line is tangent to both circles. This is important for the correct geometry. Then mirror this inclined line about the horizontal centerline. At this point, the sketch should be fully defined. Now select Extruded Boss. In the Property Manager, choose Selected Contours and select the contour corresponding to the 6 mm section to create the base feature. Next, we'll add a 20 by 32 mm bushing with a width of 16 mm. Select Extruded Boss. Expand Boss Extrude 1 in the Feature Manager to reveal the sketch and reuse it for the next feature. Again, use selected contours. Set the depth to 14 millimeters. Use the merge relation and select the appropriate contour. Now we'll create another bushing with a radius of 9 millimeters and a length of 24 millimeters. Repeat the same process. Use Extruded Boss Base. Select the sketch. Choose selected contours. Set the depth to 24 millimeters and flip the direction. The part is now complete. Finally, let's verify the volume. The correct value should be 16,268 cubic millimeters, matching the drawing. Exactly what we have. The part is done correctly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment.